Hey guys, it's Austin at Hunt Ford in Franklin, Kentucky. I'm back from a week vacation. I'm fresh, my batteries are recharged, so I've got some videos for you. Here at Hunt Ford, we have been working on upping our commercial truck game. You know, when I first started selling vehicles, I never could have figured out a reason why anybody would need one of these cab chassis trucks. After 4 years, I've figured out a lot of people have a need for these trucks. This one's an F350. It's an XL crew cab power stroke. This one's got a Napa hide bed on it. They call this the PG&B bed. So basically this is a flatbed with no rails. It is a gooseneck body. These are 9.5 foot beds. You can see, you flip this case up, your gooseneck's right there. You can flip this up to close it. Also got the headache rack here. This is a 9.5 foot bed on a 60-inch cab to axle truck. A lot of people say, oh, XL trucks are no power windows and locks, you know, no backup camera. In this day and age, they've all got that. So this one's got power windows and locks. It's got a vinyl floor, so you can just clean everything out with a wet rag. It's got commercial grade vinyl seats. It's got the 6-man jump seat here in the center, so you can have 6 guys in the truck. You got the electronic shift on the fly. Your backup camera's right there. Like I said, we've got a bunch of these. There's a bunch of different configurations, bed-wise, truck-wise, trim levels. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. I'm going to put my 1-800 number on here where you can get in touch with me. You're going to see, like I said, a lot more videos of these coming up. We've got all shapes and sizes, so if you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call, shoot me an email, whatever's good. We appreciate y'all's time, and we look forward to hearing from you. Hope you guys have a great day.